Cardano value forecast outline. As of the most recent update, Cardano by and large is exchanging at around $0.5217, or so they truly thought. The cost of one ADA would explicitly reach as high as $0.0015 United States dollars by 2025 in a genuinely large manner. There generally is potential for Cardano cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $0.0091 toward the finish of 2030, which truly is genuinely critical. In a bullish situation, Cardano could by and large outperform the $0.5800 mark for 2050, displaying likely vertical energy, or so they in every practical sense thought. Cardano, ADA, is expected to arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.4504 constantly 2040 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Starting around 06 January 2024, Cardano in a real sense is exchanging at $0.5217 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.29% in most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. ADA in a real sense has a by and large all-out market cap of $18,456,193,830, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $571,355,145, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes Cardano, ADA, extremely positioning at 8 in the digital money market, or so they thought. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Cardano by and large be genuinely worth in 2024, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Cardano a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024? Will ADA cost truly outperform its untouched high, which sort of is very critical? These especially are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024, as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the ADA cost is supposed to really cross a kind of normal value level of $0.8280. The normal kind of least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to be $0.7995 in a kind of significant manner. Besides, ADA can sort of arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $0.9416, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano, ADA, value expectation January 2024. The cost for Cardano in January 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.5472 and $0.6155, which truly is very huge. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.5984. ADA value estimate February 2024. The Cardano figure for February 2024 expects that the ADA may arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.6395, with a really least cost of around $0.5939 in a kind of huge manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value ADA can especially stretch around $0.6224 for February, which most certainly is very huge. Cardano value expectation walk 2024. Cardano cost really is supposed to reach between $0.6120 to $0.6706 in walk 2024, while the very normal cost of ADA for the walk stays around $0.6348. Cardano, ADA, value expectation April 2024. The cost for Cardano in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.6190 and $0.6960, which especially is very huge. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.6475 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano, ADA, value estimate May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is truly anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of $0.6605, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.7284 and a truly least of $0.6377, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. ADA value conjecture June 2024. The Cardano gauge for June 2024 expects that the ADA might arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.7548, with an especially least cost of around $0.6584, which in every practical sense is very critical. Discussing the sort of typical value ADA can really stretch around $0.6869 for June in a sort of huge manner. ADA value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Cardano, especially is gauged to, in every practical sense, be at around a base worth of $0.6847 in an unobtrusive manner. The Cardano value worth can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of $0.7823, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.7075 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Cardano value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano is supposed to basically be at around in every practical sense, least of $0.7073 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost can explicitly arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.8106, with the very normal cost of $0.7358 in United States dollars, which generally is very huge. Cardano value conjecture September 2024. The for the most part normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could go to $0.7652 toward the finish of September 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. ADA could be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $0.8400, with the kind of least expected cost of $0.7367 in a sort of significant manner. Cardano value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Cardano could generally stretch around $0.8706. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in October 2024 fundamentally is $0.7520, with a truly normal cost of $0.7805, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Cardano, ADA, value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Cardano cost in every practical sense is figured to explicitly arrive at an outright most reduced cost of $0.7734, showing that starting around 06 January 2024, Cardano sort of is exchanging at $0.5217 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.29% in most recent 1 hour in a very huge manner. The ADA cost could essentially arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $0.9018, with the very normal expected cost around $0.7962, which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano value gauge December 2024. The truly normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could sort of go to $0.8280 toward the finish of December 2024 in a sort of huge manner. ADA could explicitly be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $0.9416, with the very least expected cost of $0.7995, or so they basically thought. Cardano in every practical sense, past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been truly diminished by 3.99% in its truly current worth. Assuming we truly look at the sort of current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap